Did you know that it takes less than 5 minutes to learn how to make these beautiful earrings? These are beaded earrings called a Peyote Leaf Earring or Russian leaf, and they are made out of bead like this. So these are the beads that I have made to make those earrings. Hi, my name is Alex. I am the creator of the application Planbead for designing and weaving beaded jewelry, and today I will show you how easy it is to make the exact same earrings. So let's go. So to start making the earring, the materials that you will need, any two colors of Miyuki size 11, plus a thread and the needle. That's all that you need. If you want to follow the tutorial inside the app, you download the app and you go to Patterns, Earrings, and you will find it over here. It's completely free. And you will see here the color codes of the beads that I have used. So these are the color codes in case you want to buy them. Inside the application, you could also see a 3D visualization of the earring that I've made. So this should help you with the designing process. Here are the steps. You see the green button, play button over here, start tutorial, and it will show you exact step and the order of beads, how you should bead them or weave them. The way I made it in the application is in Planbead that you would start in the middle, so we need the foundation, and then you would go to the right side. After that, we would go to the left side. So the most important part in this peyote leaf earring or Russian leaf earring is the foundation, where you would string all the beads together, the beads that are mentioned over here, and then you would go back up and string in the fourth bead. So it is, you would go like here, you would string all of them, and then you would go back up and then string the thread into the fourth bead. And this is the shape that you will get. You see the thread comes out over here, and you would have this T shape over here, exactly the same T shape like that. So you would string, go back up, and then the thread would come out over here to be able to add the beads in the empty space here. So this is exactly what we do. We add bead by bead. The application would show you exactly the steps and which beads you have to add to go up. Then we return, and then we add it back down. Simple peyote, we add one, we skip one, we add one, we skip one. The empty space would show you exactly where to put, and then the thread would come out of this bead over here. We don't continue until the end. We leave this one empty, because here where we do the decrease step, which gives us this diagonal shape. So we would have two beads, we would string them together, we pick them together, and then we would go back up over here. So we don't go down, we get here, and then we pick two beads, and then we go back up. So you see this shape, to give us like this diagonal shape, we string also the beads. The application will show you exactly in which order you have to do it. So we string back up, and then here's another important step, which is the increase, where you would have like 3 beads, you would string them also together. The difference here, same as we did at the start, where we strung back into got the needle into the fourth bead here, we get the needle here into the first bead that we have picked. So we pick ABA, which is ABA, and then we go back into the first bead. The reason for that is to give us this T shape to be able to peyote back. So as you can see here, we have this T shape, and then with the thread we would be able to add those beads. So we go down, before the last bead we take the thread out here, and then we do a decrease step. And this goes the whole way. It will goes decrease, peyote, increase, all the way up until you finish the right side. So this is how it would look like. Once you are ready, you start with the left side, you remove the stop bead, and you thread from here. So you will see, you do peyote, and then you would do decrease, and then peyote up, and then increase, and so on, exactly the same steps. Once it is finished, it would then look like this. Once you have the length that you want, you would string the ends together. You could, here is the moment where you could add more beads to keep it open, or you could add like the earring hook over here, you know. So once you do it like this, and then you hide the thread by going through the beads, and then back up from this side or this side. You go back and forth a little bit to enforce it, and you are done, you are ready. This is the quick tutorial of how to do it. I've made a YouTube tutorial, like a lengthy YouTube tutorial, 35 minutes. If you want, you can watch it. And if you could use either the pictures here, or you could install the application to follow the steps. It's completely free. The tracking feature is free, and this pattern is free. So I would really hope this one was helpful. If you tried it, if you have any question, let me know. Happy beading, everyone. See you next video. Ciao.